Okay, first you open the buildbox 4. You can see a beautiful sky dome. This is an 360 degree images that you can insert in your scene. It's a very high quality. For changing that, you can select it, and from here you can change the texture. If you have texture inserted before, you can see it's very huge. You can insert it from here, or you can click on here and upload it from your project. Select it, and for example, you have to insert these images: web pages, JPEG, or PNG. For example, I insert this on my sky dome. Be careful about the quality of your images. It has to be lots of big to better see that. You can see my images, 360 image, open in the scene, and you can navigate in that. It's very easy. Any image, but you have to download and create such a this image. 360. It's a doom, sky doom images. 360 images. But it does not support HDRI image. Be careful about just simple PNG or JPEG, 4K, 8K. Any higher quality, you can see it's a little blur, but you can insert high quality images. That's it.